Hello everyone, my name is Vadren and I'm a technical analyst for BeInCrypto. So the coin that we are going to discuss today is Tellor or TRB, which is part of the Oracle coins. So basically Link, Dia and a few others. So it is a coin which I believe that has completed its correction and has a very similar setup to some other coins which we have discussed over the past 2 weeks. So without wasting time, let's jump right into it. So yeah, going in the weekly time frame, we don't really have a clear direction for the movement, but what's immediately visible is this support area right here at about 17. So far we had several validations of the area support. So here, and here. So we had 3. So yeah, we can consider the movement bullish. So this would be a bullish retest as long as this area is in place. Now RSI hasn't really shown anything, but there is a very slight bullish divergence here, as we can see, because price is going lower, and the MACD is moving upwards. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 successive bullish candlesticks, histogram candlesticks in a row. So yeah, the weekly chart does not confirm that the trend is bullish, but it does give several signs that it might be so. Now, once we move to the daily time frame, we get a more bullish looking chart, but there are several things I want to note here. First, the main resistance is about here, so it has been rejected from this area. So the safe, if you're trading it, the safe play would be to wait for some sort of breakout retest and then go in. Or alternatively, if we do get a longer retracement, maybe enter here with a stop below the Feb 24 lows here, and then position yourself for the next move up, but not like buy right at resistance. But yeah, again, if you look at indicators here, they're very, very clearly bullish because we have bullish divergences all the way in both the RSI and the MACD. So these are pretty strong divergences. And also the RSI has moved above 50, as you can see here, and completed a failure swing high because it has moved above the stop here between the divergences, and also the MACD is positive, which is another sign of a bullish trend. Now this can be considered some sort of short-term breakout, but I don't know, like the slope is very sharp, so I'm not sure if I'd consider that the main support line. But yeah, there is some sort of potential resistance line here, which has also been broken actually. So yeah, we still have a mostly bullish outlook. And yeah, even as we move down to even lower time frames. So when looking at the 6-hour, our main resistance would be somewhere, I think here the first resistance at 40 also coincides with this horizontal resistance level here. Now let's move to some wave counts. So my most likely one is that this is an ABC correction. So I'm really looking for this sort of formation on all altcoins. So we have a 1/0.618 ratio between A and C, close to that. Or no, sorry, closer to 0.382, my bad. But more importantly, we have this sort of wedge formation here, which is likely part of a ending diagonal, and also the divergence is in play. So very short term, if the upward movement began here, then what we're likely seeing right now is sort of a fourth wave pullback. So just clean this up a little bit. So yeah, maybe something like this. in which the price is now doing the fourth wave pullback, and after which it will pump upwards and complete the entire formation. So yeah, if the correction is complete, we'd expect like at least this high here to be taken out the side 80 and potentially move upwards towards new highs. So very bare minimum in my opinion would be 73, but much more likely to 108 and above. So everyone, that was the video today. Thanks for being a part of it, and I will see you next video.